Welcome to the HTML course. Greetings to you all. I'm Jyoti Mandala, your guide, helping you in understanding the essential elements that define the backbone of every web page. In this video, we are going to learn about the iFrame tag and how it can be used to embed contents from the other sources into your web page. The iFrame tag specifies an inline frame. This tags allows you to embed another HTML document into your current document. iFrame is a paired tag which consists of iFrame and /iframe tags. This is the syntax: iFrame src equal to some URL, width with a value, height with a value, title with some text, and with a closing /iframe. Here, src attribute indicates the URL of the content you want to embed to your page. You can also set the width and height attributes to control the size of the frame. It is a good practice to always include a title attribute for the iframe. This is used by the screen readers to read out what the content of the iframe is. Here in the src, you can embed your own .html files also. For example, iframe src equal to image.html. Let's check it in action. Open the editor. Have a basic structure of HTML document. Now in the body tag, include iframe opening and closing tags. Here I am typing iframe src equal to image1.html, width equal to 600, height equal to 400, title equal to iframe example, closing tag of iframe. Save the file. And this is how it looks when rendered in the web browser. You can see on the right hand side of the window of 600 by 400 is allocated, and the contents of the specified URL is embedded directly into this. Now let's explore some additional attributes and control and options for customizing iframes. You can further customize the behavior of the iframe using attributes like scrolling and target. The scrolling attribute can be yes or no, which controls whether scroll bars are shown when the content exceeds the dimensions of the iframe. Next is target attribute. Let us understand this with example. Observe this example. Here I have a frame. In this, nothing is displayed. Now I want to have an action. Whenever I click this link, the image should be displayed in this frame. To achieve this, we will be using the target attribute in the iframe tag. name the iframe using name attribute. Now, in the anchor tag, mention the same name in the target as a target value. This helps us to display the HR specified file to be displayed in this mentioned frame. Hope it is clear. Initially, I have just displayed no name, which is an empty file which displays no name text. But once the link is clicked, the contents in the frame will be changed. This is how you can customize the iframe. Hope you all are practicing the examples. That's it for our overview of the HTML iframe tag. It is a powerful tool for embedding external content into your web pages while maintaining security and control. Hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy coding and remember the web is your canvas. Thank you.